Today we are in the madhouse and we're gonna look at something absolutely crazy. I'm here with Maximilian, the guy behind this beautiful creation, and many others here at MB&F. Thank you for having us in Geneva here.
Thank you for being here.
Of course, it is my pleasure. I always love to come here because I secretly just want to live in this house. So tell us, for anybody who hasn't been here yet, where are we today? What's this building?
So we are in the madhouse today, as you mentioned, and it's an old farm building from 100 years ago, and we decided a couple of years back to renovate this entire place here and transform it in a watch lab, you can say it. And the entire house is, sometimes it feels like a museum because you feel all the old structure, and we kept a lot of, or we need to keep a lot of the entire building as it was. But we integrated a lot of futuristic elements, a lot of MB&F DNA, and
Yeah, of course. And art pieces, collaborations with Leper all over the place.
Yeah.
Different sketches, just sculptures, and we have also all the awards behind us here, and the little figurines, if you're an MB&F owner, which you get as well. It's nice to be here because it feels like a big showroom, but house, you know. And there's many people walking here around and watchmakers working on the watches. And today we're here to present something very special. So today we're here to talk about the new HM12, your latest baby, latest creation.
So we created a new watch, a new HM for our horological machine. So what we got here, in fact, is a robot's face. We have a jumping hour and a floating minute on the other side, which are the eyes of the robot. We got a brain, which is a flying tourbillon. We got a mouth, which is a micro rotor. We integrated the first time in an MB&F piece ever. And as this piece is not only reflecting, for me, horological machines and the last 20 years of MB&F, it's the same on the back just for legacy machines.
Yeah.
So we have a rather traditional finishing here, a really nice microbier on the bridges, and a micro rotor, which is beautifully finished by our friend Kari Voutilainen. And we got a titanium case. And as this is a robot, it needs to show emotions.
Yeah.
For me, a robot always shows emotions, and for this we created a very complex system, which feels quite simple, but it took around 200 pieces more to integrate only for this function here, to change
That's cool.
the face of the robot from a neutral mode in a battle mode.
But yeah.
So this entire shield system took a lot of more effort to integrate. It's different system on top of the movement itself. It's completely separate, so it needed to kind of go around the entire movement to be integrated.
And it's all via this crown, huh?
It's only by this crown, and it's
So
all...
you had to connect them on the other side as well, so they all
Exactly.
move together.
So they're all connected by central gear here, and they need to move synchronized perfectly. And yeah, this is how the complexity there came together.
Beautiful.
It was very important for this piece as well that we do have lugs, which are actually articulatable.
Yeah.
So it's going quite well around the wrist and going well.
Yeah, beautiful. The lugs remind me for one of the Bulldog, which I'm wearing,
Yeah.
but also the Nitro,
Yes.
the watch, which was also for me one of my favorites. And I love lugs like this because, like we said, many people can wear them. Small wrists, big wrists like
Yeah.
mine, and ladies as well. I know a few ladies who have a Bulldog. Shout out to me.
Face of a robot, as this is the head of a robot. We of course need to put it on a robot. We need a
nuts,
body
man.
of a robot.
This is
So
completely crazy.
the first time ever we integrated as well quick release straps. So we can fast and easily take off the straps and put it
To better order.
on the robot itself.
So cool, man. And quick, huh? I mean, secure. You have this little security system on top. Boy, this is nuts. I love how you integrated the watch into the robot, and I feel like the lugs here also just connect. It's like a little, hair, like this slick hair on the side. It's insane. And the robot is now. Do they work together like the Breguet Sympathique or not really? Is the robot more as a stand for the watch?
So there were ideas of a Sympathique in the beginning, but there's just a question of reliability.
Yeah.
And this project was already complex enough. So we didn't want to put 5 more levels of complexity on top. So what we created around the watch is a body which is a watch stand. Watch stand with a couple more functions, but in the end, a pretty amazing watch stand. So
it's the coolest watch stand ever. Come on, look at this thing.
Thank you so much. It's integrating a thermometer, a mechanical thermometer here in the front. We got a shield on the side, nice, which is actually a loop for some magnification on the entire piece.
So cool.
And on the other side, we got a torch.
A weapon.
Which is equipped with UV light. So you can enjoy a lot of superluminova on the entire piece.
That's so cool.
So we got even superluminova on the case of the watch.
Gives like Tron vibes, huh?
Exactly. So not only Tron was an inspiration for this piece, also Gundams, Power Rangers, Pacific Rim.
Yeah.
All the robots I enjoyed when I was younger, and even now I still love and enjoy looking at robots. I went to Japan specifically just to look at the huge Gundam sculptures, to study them and to see how they feel in real life, because this still needs to be a robot.
And I love also the different types of finishing on the robot, because they also are seen on the watch. So we have mirror polishing, a lot of it, which was very fun to film the watch. Wasn't easy, but at the end we made it happen. We have setting brushing, micro bead blasting, and all comes together so nicely. Are the green parts like anodized titanium or something like that, or?
So the entire piece was done by our partner and friends from L'Epée. Mm-hmm. They realized and machined the entire piece and hand finished every single piece. So it was quite a complex process, because every single part here, unfortunately for them, is in 5x CNC. So it takes a lot of machine time. It takes a lot of effort and energy to produce every single part and then hand finish it on top. And the entire colored parts you see in the middle, it's the skeleton. I based the entire robot around, and it's a lacquered technique they're using at L'Epée.
Okay. And it's quite heavy, huh? I moved it before a bit, and
it's 95% stainless steel, so heavy by nature. And it's 8 kilos for the robot, 7 kilos for the base. We needed to have a lot of stability, because you have
of course, pricier watch on the top you have to protect.
You have an important watch on the top, and we got a compartment here as well to store the straps, which you can take off easily, and
while he's fighting evil
or protecting your home, because the name of our piece is HM12 The Guardian.
Beautiful.
We came quite early to an idea how the watch should look like, and the complexity about this entire process was how to manage a watch which should feel perfectly on the wrist and the body of a robot, to bring them together so the proportions look nice. So in the beginning, some of the proportions were a bit slim.
Yeah.
So I needed to beef up the legs, for example. It took 5-6 major iterations for the robot. So this is only a small part of the 3D prints happened in this project to put them together. But finally, I put this 3D printed baby on the table, exactly on this table actually, while ago, and since this was on the table, I'm 100% happy with the design.
How it turned out, huh?
Yeah.
I'm happy that a brand like MB&F exists, and people like you, because you make stuff that nobody really dares to do. And you also have a great collector base which support you in believing in your dreams, and also, you know, saying like, hell yeah, this is cool, I need one of those. So the watch you can take out just like this, huh? You basically pull this and tuck.
It's a spring bar
It's nice.
here in the top, and you can easily take it out.
So cool. Such a cool piece, man.
Thank you so much.
Is it gonna be limited, or what's the...
So we got not only a green one, we got a blue one as well and a purple one as well, accordingly to the shields, the skeleton of the robot changes as well. So green to green, blue to blue, purple to purple. And will be quite limited to 12 pieces each.
Wow.
And this is going to be the first edition and the final edition. So
Okay.
we are only doing 36 pieces in total ever,
That's it.
and that's it.
So guys, hurry up. Will you make a sapphire version, fully sapphire edition? That's like MB&F style.
That would be cool, but I don't want to sell a watch stand for 5 million.
Yeah, it's a lot of sapphire. Awesome. I mean, listen, it was a pleasure to see this in person. It's fun to play with this because one of my favorite watches from you, apart from the Bulldog, is the Space Pirate.
Yeah.
And it has this little dome as well, which you can open and close to protect the tourbillon. So I think this is very fun. It's very smooth, huh? Like in clicks. And you can choose how much you want to close it, how much you want to open it.
Exactly. So you have a couple of steps in between, and you can choose whatever you want in between.
Gorgeous. What was the most difficult part on this whole watch for you, or the robot? I mean, nothing looks easy, to be fair, but...
So I think the most complicated part was the case itself. It's all titanium, and all the finished parts on the outside and the different surfaces. It was quite a complexity to bring them together. When I look at the robot, there's so many details you can see,
Yeah.
which all got a different story for me. When I look at the arm, I know still exactly in which kind of situation I created the joints here for the arm and why I did them. And I look at it and I still enjoy every single detail, because I know it was complex to create them. It took a lot of time, but I'm honestly very proud about it.
Maximilian, what's next? I mean, we just presented a big thing here, but what do you do from here?
It will be interesting to follow up, but we have a couple of projects in the pipeline, which will be awesome as well.
Nice. I can't wait to see those as well. So Maximilian, thank you so much for taking the time to show this beautiful creation, and congrats. Like you said, many years in development, a lot of trial and error, which we see here, and I think you did a fantastic job. And I can't wait to see them on collectors' wrists, which is going to be probably very soon.